Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about my beautiful porch lights. So these beautiful lights are from Best Shared, and I wanted to tell you some things that I really love about them. First of all, I love the way they look. They turned out beautiful. We replaced the two lights on our back deck, so one outside of our dining room and then one outside of our bedroom, and they just did exactly what we wanted them to do. They updated it, they gave it a modern twist, and they are just beautiful out there. So a couple other things that I loved about them is how easy they were to install. My husband put them in not much time at all. He took out the old ones and put the new ones in. They're very durable. They're made of this metal and glass material, and so they're not going to break. They're going to be weather resistant, and they're going to last you for a long time. So overall, I'm very happy with my back porch lights. They've given my porch the little pick-me-up that it needed to just give it a little modern update. They work great, they look great, and that's my point of view.